BuyMote e-shopping application is one of the online shopping app now available on Play Store and App Store. Click below link and install the application and make use of it for all of your grocery and general purchasing.
Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all doing good. I am happy to see you all again in this video. Welcome back to our channel B-Neg.
What are we going to watch today is I'm super excited to share my major milestone in my trading journey. I just passed the Bulenox 50K account evaluation. If you are thinking about taking on a prop trading challenge or if you are in the middle of one, this video is for you. I'm going to break down how I prepared, the strategies I used, the mistakes I avoided, and my tips to help you pass your evaluation. So stick around.
Before going into the video, those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, let's go into the video.
Before we dive into the details, let me quickly explain what Bulenox is for those who might not know. Bulenox is a prop trading firm that gives traders the opportunity to trade their capital basically. You prove yourself by passing an evaluation phase, and once you do, they fund you to trade on their account. The 50K account evaluation is one of their popular challenges where you need to meet their profit goals while managing risk. It's a test of discipline, strategy, and mindset. All right, so let's talk strategy. Passing the evaluation is not just about hitting the profit target, it's about avoiding pitfalls like exceeding your daily loss limit or maximum drawdown. Here is exactly what I did. Number one, risk management. I never risked more than 1% of account on a single trade. This gave me enough room to recover from small losses and stay within the rules. Number two, trade selection. I focused on a high probability setups in the market condition I know best. For me, that's my entry probability questionnaire will provide 90 or 100% score trade. It's all about sticking to what you are good at. Number three, patience and discipline. I did not trade every day. If the market was not giving me a proper clear signal, I stayed out. Remember, sometimes the best trade is no trade. Number four, daily reflection. After each session, I reviewed my trades to understand what worked and what didn't. This kept me sharp and ready for the next day.
Of course, it wasn't all smooth sailing. The hardest part for me was absence in my trading desk 2 to 3 days weekly. This leads me to take long, nearly 1.5 months to pass evaluation. And that over trade, as my risk and trade management says, daily trade limit is one. But sometimes I was taking more than one due to FOMO, impatience, and indiscipline. But here's the thing, every mistake is a lesson. One of my biggest takeaway was to stay focused on the process, not just the profit target. Once I shifted my mindset, everything started to fall into place.
Now, if you are thinking about taking a Bullock's evaluation, here are my top tips for you. Number one, know the rules inside out. Don't just glance over the rules. Know them like the back of your hand. Things like daily loss limits and position sizing can make or break your evaluation. Number two, start small. Don't go full throttle on day one. Ease into it and build your confidence. Number three, stick to your plan. Have a solid trading plan before you start, and most importantly, follow it. Number four, focus on risk, not just reward. Protecting your capital is just as important as making profits. Here is my referral link, which I have given in description. Will give you a 15% discount on their price. So what's next for me now that I have paused? I will be trading live on the funded account, and I will definitely keep you updated on my progress. If you want to follow my journey or have any questions about the evaluation process, let me know in the comments below. That's it for today's video. I hope my journey and tips inspire you to take on your own trading challenge. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future updates. Let's crush those trading goals together. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more topics and videos. See you soon.